Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you all may know, for a couple of months, the blockchain games have been getting a lot of positive traction from people who just enjoy the game, and investors who help develop these platforms. When these games do well, usually their associated tokens skyrocket. So in this video, we have something similar on hand to talk about. We'll be talking about the updates of SLP, or Smooth Love Potion. Don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you any Zen herbal medicine. I'm talking about a crypto token that has been doing so good lately, it's a crime not to share it with you guys. And for those of you who have no idea what it is, stick around and we'll cover everything after this. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. Do like and comment your thoughts, any questions you have, or if you want to share something. I'll keep making these videos for you guys, so you keep smashing the like button, and let's start today's video. Starting with a little bit of a history of SLP, it is a token that is earned by playing Axie Infinity, which is again a game on blockchain. These tokens provide functionality in the game. It is basically a replacement for experience points. SLP is an Ethereum 2.0 basis token, and the basic use of these are to breed new digital pets called Axies. The cost of breeding begins at 100 SLP, but increases, gradually rising to 200 SLP for the second breed, 300 for the third, 500 for the fourth, 800 for the fifth, and 1,300 for the sixth. Axies can be bred a maximum of 7 times, and the seventh breed costs 2,100 SLP. This limit exists in order to prevent hyperinflation in the marketplace. It can take time to accrue SLP through the game, and a player may need to win 15 competitions in order to gain enough token to perform their first breed. Purchasing SLP on the open market is a way for gamers to get a head start. Now, I know you guys may not be interested in the inventor of the Axie Infinity, and that's not important now. It is a well-known project backed by a huge community, and there is no doubt it is here to stay. And we will see the sun of the metaverse rise alongside. However, what you do need to know is that SLP is listed on exchanges, which is quite unusual for a GameFi token. When it comes to tokenomics, the number of SLP in circulation is rather fluid. That's because how these tokens are burned whenever new Axies are bred. Nonetheless, at the time of writing, the circulating supply of SLP was in the tens of millions, and this ERC20 token does not have a hard cap. If the number of Axie Infinity players increase substantially, this could result in much higher levels of SLP entering into the ecosystem as more competitions are won and lost. Smooth Love Potion price rallied to an all-time high, ATH, of $0.3642 on May 1, 2021, then dumped by almost 75% of its value. Prices proceeded to peak again in mid-July to reach a high of $0.3462. Smooth Love Potion price has since followed a downward trend. Speaking of numbers and values, at the time of making this video, one SLP is worth $0.02914. Axie's new update is centered on reducing the daily supply of SLP tokens by 56%. Players can no longer earn them through daily questing or playing in adventure mode. The possibility of a meltdown under the game's previous economy was due to the extremely high inflation of the token, with around 4 times more SLP being created supplied per day than burned. There was another positive announcement for SLP. Crypto exchange Binance added SLP BNB as a trading pair, meaning that traders can now directly exchange BNB for SLP on the exchange. So there it is, guys. I hope you found this video useful. To make sure you don't miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel with notifications on, do leave a like and comment your thoughts as well. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.